Chainlink, Link, has been on the radar recently, especially after a quiet phase marked by stagnant price trends. Over the past weekend, it distinguished itself from the crowd by registering an impressive surge, emphasizing once again the unpredictability of the cryptocurrency sphere. Breaking the $9 barrier, Chainlink's recent performance. Recent statistics from CoinGecko reveal a whopping 22% leap in Chainlink's value within a single day. The significant spike saw Link price rise beyond the $9 threshold on Gate.io, its highest in several months. A glance at the week-long data shows Link's commendable climb of almost 30%. However, not everything seems rosy. The digital currency is meeting some resistance as it approaches the $9.50 mark, reflecting the market's mixed feelings. Is this sudden surge a mere anomaly, or is it a positive sign? Many are optimistic, like a certain crypto expert who anticipates a continued upswing for Link. Sharing insights on a platform known as X, crypto enthusiast Mags observed that Chainlink's recent price trajectory broke free from a consolidation pattern that lasted over a year. Mags speculates that if the weekly closing stands above $8.20, Link might soar to $12.54, a significant 30% increase from its present value. At the time of writing, Link stands at $9.96, and data from CoinGecko also notes an incredible 468% boost in Link's 24-hour trading volume. It is also important to note that the spike in Chainlink price took place before the October bull run. The run itself has pushed the price from its newly found $9 support, all the way to the $10 mark. This signifies that Link price is most likely in between its new price levels, which it won't drop from in the foreseeable future. Unraveling the reasons behind Chainlink's price surge. To comprehend what's propelling Link's recent price ascension, one must delve into Chainlink's network activities. An analysis by the on-chain intelligence platform, Sentiment, provides valuable insights. A recent report on X by Sentiment unveils that Chainlink has shown heightened activity in the last few days. The network's metrics, from whale transactions to active addresses, soared to a 3-month peak over the weekend. Specifically, on October 22nd, the network documented over 220 whale trades exceeding $100,000. Concurrently, nearly 5,000 distinct addresses were engaged with Link. Additionally, the day witnessed Link's trading volume surpassing 800 million. While these figures don't precisely pinpoint the nature of the prevailing activities on Chainlink, the ensuing price hike of Link hints at a potential accumulation trend. Understanding Chainlink, bridging traditional and blockchain systems. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network designed to bridge the gap between smart contracts on blockchains and real-world data. At its core, Chainlink facilitates smart contracts to securely interact with external data sources, APIs, and payment systems, ensuring the decentralized nature of the blockchain is upheld. This interaction is pivotal because, for all their benefits, smart contracts on blockchains are siloed and cannot directly access external information. Chainlink's oracles provide the necessary external data feeds, allowing smart contracts to execute based on real-world events and data. This innovative approach has positioned Chainlink as a crucial infrastructure layer in the expanding blockchain ecosystem, enhancing the versatility and applicability of smart contracts across various industries. Chainlink Oracle, a vital connector in the blockchain realm. A Chainlink Oracle serves as an intermediary or agent that retrieves and verifies external data from the real world and feeds it into the blockchain. In the context of Chainlink, an Oracle isn't just a software, it's a combination of off-chain infrastructure components that interact with on-chain smart contracts. This enables blockchains to securely and reliably process external information, which is essential since smart contracts inherently lack the capability to access external data directly. Chainlink oracles bridge this limitation by fetching real-world data, such as price feeds, temperature, or any other external metric, and channeling it to the smart contracts in a tamper-proof manner. Through a decentralized network of these oracles, Chainlink ensures that the data is not only accurate but also resistant to a single point of failure or manipulation, preserving the decentralized ethos of blockchain technology. Real-world use cases and early adopters. Chainlink has established itself as an indispensable tool in the burgeoning blockchain sector, with its oracles enabling a plethora of use cases. One of the most prominent applications is in the realm of decentralized finance, DeFi, where accurate and timely price feeds are crucial. Chainlink's decentralized oracles ensure that smart contracts in DeFi platforms can access reliable asset prices, making operations like lending, borrowing, and stablecoin pegging more secure. Beyond finance, Chainlink can also facilitate smart contracts in industries such as insurance, by fetching real-time weather data to execute crop insurance policies, or supply chain management, by verifying the authenticity and origin of products. Several notable companies and projects have recognized Chainlink's potential. Google Cloud integrated Chainlink in 2019 to make BigQuery data accessible on-chain. Additionally, other prominent platforms, including Synthetics and Yearn.finance, have integrated Chainlink oracles to power their decentralized applications, underscoring the technology's widespread appeal and adaptability.